Hey, so today is a really short video to just say I cannot believe this channel has reached 10,000 subscribers. Something I started a few years ago, 2-3 years ago, just as a bit of fun, as a break from client work, you know, something that's not constrained by a client brief, and just to pass on my knowledge, has reached 10,000 subscribers. And some of the videos I've made have reached like almost 100,000 views, which to me is just insane, and I'm really appreciative and thankful for everyone that watches my videos and subscribes. So it's just great to know that people like what I'm creating. It's all, you know, it's all free. I really appreciate it. And some of you may have seen, you know, I've started expanding and creating a blog as well. So the blog goes into like industry advice, getting into being a freelance animator or artist. I wrote one article, it was over 150 character animations from complete beginner to advanced, just to help people with some ideas. And that got like 65,000 views on LinkedIn. It seems to be, I've had such good feedback that it's really helping, stuff like that. You know, I go into anatomy for animators as well. So now it's started to grow, not just from a YouTube channel, but we're starting to build a bit of a community, which is absolutely brilliant. Also just really recently started a Discord channel. I'll leave the link in the description. Some people are just, you know, leaving their work for feedback from me and from others and just talking. So maybe hopefully that will grow as well. But yeah, again, I really appreciate everyone who's watched my videos and subscribed. I really wish I got more time to make more videos for you guys, but obviously I have to do client work because I do all this for free anyway. So hopefully, you know, maybe over the next year, 2 years, this will change and I'll get more time to do more stuff. And I'd love to hear from everyone. I'd love to hear your ideas on what you want to see in videos, what you want to see in a community, you know, where can we go from here? So again, thank you so much to everyone that joins this animator artist life journey and community. And I'll see you in the next one.